Take 783. Why is this so hard? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My brain is not working. Is this real life? Come on. I have no idea what I was saying. No idea what I'm supposed to be saying right now. Lord help me. This is seriously one of the most ridiculous things I've ever done. And brain's fried. Thinker isn't working. I may have to try to do this again tomorrow. I'm drawing a complete blank. Somebody help me. Focus. Oh God. I haven't slept in 5 years. Let me just turn this